Hi and welcome to Swedish Plant Guys. In this video we give you 5 quick tips concerning Zamioculcas zamiifolia, also known as the CC plant. But this will apply to any variety of CC plant. If you enjoyed this video, like, subscribe and leave a comment down below. That really helps our channel a lot. Follow us on Facebook and Instagram where you can get sneak previews on upcoming videos. Tip number 1. CC plants grow with something we call underground rhizomes or underground stems called rhizomes. Now these potato-like tubers actually store nutrients, water and starches that it can later give to the plant. And they look like this. Always make sure that the tubers are covered with soil. If they are not covered in soil, they can get harmed by the elements. Tip number 2. Don't repot your CC plant until it really needs to. When it starts to really bulge out of the pot it's in, when it's not round anymore and it looks like it just wants to jump out of the pot, then it's time to repot because it likes to be a little bit root bound. And when you repot, only repot in a slightly larger pot. Tip number 3. Always use drainage holes for your CC plant because the Achilles heel for this extremely tough plant is standing in water. So make sure that you get rid of the excess water in the pot and you will have a plant that will thrive and flourish. Tip number 4. This is one of the toughest plants there is on the market. And one of the reasons is that it doesn't need a lot of light or water. Make sure that it dries out completely before you water it again. Tip number 5. The CC plant can go dormant for really long periods of time. And don't worry, that is fully natural. When it's not growing and it hasn't been growing for a long period of time, what it's actually doing is that it's focusing all of its energy to store nutrients and starches in the tubers. So don't worry, it will start to grow again when it's ready. Now, if you want to know more about the CC plant, we have an in-depth video where we give you all you need to know about this plant. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. That really helps our channel a lot. If you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, please do. Hit the bell as well so you get a notification every time we put up something new. Follow us on Facebook and Instagram where you can get sneak previews on upcoming videos and sometimes a little bit more. Now until next time, hej då!